Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you're looking for a new book for your kids, I would highly recommend this one. This is Stella Keeps the Sun Up, and it is so funny and cute. It's about her and her little friend Roger here, and they don't want to go to bed, so they're trying to keep the sun up all day, and so it goes through their day and the things that they do to try to keep the sun up. One of my favorite things that they do, which as adults we will really appreciate, is they try to get coffee all the way up to the sun. And it's really funny. I like the fact that it really brings out the imagination of a child and really encourages them to think outside of the box. And so I think you'll really enjoy this book as well. My kid wants to read it every single night. Right now, this is the book. This is the everyday book. But I enjoy it as well because it's just really a nice book to read. I like the pictures. I like how colorful it is. And I like the size of it as well. He can easily turn the pages. That's my point of view.